How do you feel earning money in dollars? How do you feel staying in your home, pressing your phone, just pressing, and earning money in dollars? It seems like lie, right? If you are the type that I'm about to mention, like you feel that earning money online is not possible, or you can't earn money with your phone from your home, or you believe that this is a scam, this video is not for you, just skip this video and continue whatsoever you're doing. But if you believe that you can actually put an end to this every time looking for who will borrow you money, you are in the right place. My name is Sylvia there. You can check me out on Facebook, Sylviamagic. I'm one person that's very skeptical when it comes to making money online. I'm one person when it comes to you can make money on the internet just with your phone. I wouldn't have believed it if I did not experience what I'm about to share with you guys. All right, what I'm about to experience with you guys is something that you already know about, or if you don't know about it, it's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process in which you help someone sell his or her products and you get a commission for it. A lot of us are affiliates in the sense that when you recommend a product for someone, or you take someone to a particular place to get something that can actually solve that person's problem, you just did affiliate marketing. But in that process, you were not given a commission. But how will you feel that you selling someone's product that costs like $50 and you earn a whopping 50% of every sales you make? 50, you take half and the person take half. That means if you are able to make like 20,000 naira in a day, or you make like 5k, that's 100,000 in a day. That's if you make such sales in 7 days, you just got to save 700,000 naira. I'm not missing words with you. I have proofs, I have results, I have people that have attested to this particular platform I'm talking about, and it's called Digistem. Yeah, Digistem. Guys, thank you, Digistem. Thank you so much, because if I did not, I don't even know how to explain this, because I'm so excited, because this particular program is something that every woman, if you are a mother, my own is just to liberate women, because there are a lot of women in this society that we are today that they are suffering, that are depending on other people to live a better life. Trust me, you need to break that shackles of poverty. Don't put your problem on anybody. Don't put your problem on family members or the government. You can actually make something out of your life. If you have a smartphone, you have an internet, you can send emails. My dear, this business is for you. You will be taught step by step guide on how you are going to sell this business. And for you to be able to be very good in what you're doing, you're going to partake in a course which is going to teach you a step by step. I partook of this course and this thing changed my life. This course right now is 20,000 naira. 20,000 naira. If I knew what I know now, I knew some years ago, and believe that my life would have changed for good. I'm not mixing words with you. I'm not saying cock and bull story. There are different kind of affiliate platform, but the one I am talking about that can bring liberty to your life is called Digistem. Go and Google it out. It's called Digistem. Make your own research. If you know you want to know more about any money online, not any in in naira, any in dollars, slide into my DM, send me a message that I am interested, and I will take you up from there. How will you feel that you paying 20,000 to learn something that can actually generate profit for you all the days of your life, and you think it's too expensive? But for me, I don't think so, because I am already partaking from that particular training I got from Digistem.